I am at the Range Road, I think is what it's called, railroad crossing. This is along the Canadian National South Bend subdivision in Kingsbury, Indiana. Train Z149 went by not so long ago. I didn't get it filmed, but went down there. But we're gonna do a crossing tour. This crossing has gateless signals, and surprisingly, I don't think it has a bell, but let's get into it. The first signal has a very old WCH base. That's rare to see. Never seen that before. And here's a dot tag. Dot number's 283-289W. And for the lights, it has Safetran 12x24-inch lights with Dialight ball LEDs in them. See there. And it has a Safetran bracket. That's the back view of the signal. Over here is the relay case. And the grade here is asphalt, I think it is. And anyways, that's a track facing, I believe, west towards Valparaiso, Griffith, and Homewood Yard. That way's facing east towards South Bend, Battle Creek, Durand, and Port Huron at the Canadian border. We're gonna look at the other signal now. Alright, now we're at an overview looking south. This one, signal, is chilly. Has a WRRS base. Hold on, 1, 2. Here's the emergency information again. The lights here are more Safetran 12x24-inch lights with Dialight ball LEDs in them. Oh, sorry. Has another Safetran bracket. Super windy. There's a back view of that signal. That is the Range Road railroad crossing in Kingsbury, Indiana.